Within 1 week of this song hitting #1 on the US Billboard charts, the band broke up, which kind of makes the song title really ironic. Anyway, let's find out a little bit more about the song, plus I'm going to teach you how to play it. Trust me, it's super easy, so it's worth sticking around for. Let's go. Hey there budding Campfire Guitar Heroes, it's Dean again, and welcome to another lesson where I bring you those forgotten songs we all love to remember. And in recent weeks I've brought you these weird and wonderful tunes, which are all definitely worth checking out and putting into your song repertoire. But this week it's time to put on our boogie shoes and remember a cool disco era song from legendary band KC and the Sunshine Band. This song has the honour of being the very first #1 song in the 1980s, where it charted for 1 week in January, and as I said, just before the band broke up, and that's when the lead singer, the front man, Harry Wayne Casey, decided to go solo. In fact, the origin story of the band name centres around Harry Wayne Casey, the Casey being the KC in Sunshine Band, and the band hailed from Florida originally, hence the Sunshine Band. The band hit the big time in the mid-70s with a series of hits including Boogie Shoes, That's the Way I Like It, Shake Your Booty, and Get Down Tonight. All great party tunes with that signature funky beat, big band sound, and cool vocals. As I keep saying, most songs ever written are about makeups, breakups, and hookups. This one's no different. This is a classic breakup song. This was the band's first ever love ballad, and it's such a beautiful tune, made even more so because of its beautiful lyrics and its simplicity in the song structure. Look, the song truly connected with the masses. It was the band's last #1 hit in the US, their 5th #1 hit. As far as campfire songs go, it's a pretty good one to have in your repertoire. It's simple, the lyrics are easy to remember and to learn, everyone loves to sing along. And stick around to the end where I do what I call an epic outro, where it goes on and on and on, just using the same 3 chords, and it's a lot of fun to play. So with that said, it's time to teach you how to play this song. Let's get out of the studio and go where we belong. Let's go find a campfire. Okay, to get started, I recommend you download the free song sheet on my Patreon page, all the details below, no email required. And while you're there, give a shout out to Donna B, who's our latest Patreon band member. Welcome Donna, and thank you for supporting this channel. Okay, the mechanics of the song. The original key was D flat, but I'm going to play it on an E, no capo required today. Tempo, well it's a ballad, so it's a pretty slow tempo. And the song structure is super simple. Verse, chorus, chorus, outro. Real easy. In terms of vocal ability, you don't need a big range on this song, so using my patented Patreon vocal ability ranking system, I'm rating this one shower singer. Alright, let's make a start. Don't forget I'm a left-hand guitarist playing on a right-hand strung guitar, so my finger patterns may appear upside down to you. Don't let that worry you, because I'm going to put the chord patterns on the screen there. As long as you get your fretting hand in the right place, you can follow along. No worries. Okay, I'm going to show you the verse right now. 4 chords, E, C sharp minor, that's on the 4th fret, the open D chord, and the A. Just demo it now. Babe, I love you so. I want you to know that I gon' miss your love. Minute you walk out that door, please don't. Straight into the chorus. The chorus chords, 3 chords, really easy. E, D, and A. And this is how it goes. Please don't go. Don't go. Don't go away. Please don't go. Don't go. I'm begging you to stay. Straight into the 2nd verse. That if I did it. And that is the entire song. You've learnt the verse, you've learnt the chorus, and that's all you need to know, because that's the total song structure, chorus and verses. I'll now show you how to do the strum. I'll break it down, do a fundamental strum first, a foundational strum, and then I'll show you how to sort of pick it up and mix in more of those up strums like I did there to make it sound more natural and to make it sound more funky. Right, let's get into strumming. Okay, the strumming. Now remember with strumming, you got to strum what I call strum with your ears, not with your eyes. So whilst I'm going to put the strumming patterns on the screen there, you got to close your eyes and just listen to the beat of the song and use your strumming that way, which I'll show you how to do now. The foundation strum for this song, if I start on the E, the open E chord, it's down, up, block, down, down, block. Down, up, block, down, down, block. Change chords. Down, up, block, down, down, block. Babe, I love you so. Just block the strings now. Down, up, block, down, down, block. Down, up, block. Block is when I'm down strumming and I'm palm muting the strings, okay? Down, up, block, down, down, block. Okay, so that's the foundation strum. Now, when I play it, I throw a few more up strums into that second pattern. So the full strum, as I call it, will be a down, up, block, down, up, down, up, down, up, block. Okay, it's hard to say quickly, but it's just I'm just throwing up strums in there, and the best way to do that is I'll just demonstrate it for you now in real time, and then I'll slow it down. Down, up, block, down, up, down, down, up, block, up, down. I love you so. I want you to know. Please don't go. Don't go. Stay. So there you have it, folks. This week's super quick lesson because it's a pretty easy song. Thanks for watching. I know you got a lot of choice on YouTube, so the fact that you chose to watch this channel means a heck of a lot to me. Thank you. And remember, I'm a small channel trying to grow on YouTube, so if you got any value out of today, please give me a like and a subscribe. That would be really appreciated. So until next week, folks, remember at Campfire Guitar Hero, all you need is a few chords, a few friends, maybe a few drinks, and everyone's a rock star. As mentioned earlier, folks, I'm going to do a song playthrough now, and if YouTube hits me with a copyright strike, I'll probably turn this into a separate video. Anyway, I'm going to play it now. Let's do it. Babe, I love you so.